Assalamu alaikum, I'm Manar from Morocco and you're watching Moroccistani Reactions. In today's video I'll react to Pakistan versus New Zealand 1992 World Cup semi-final highlights. So 1992 में जो पाकिस्तान ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था उसका सेमीफाइनल जो मैच था वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड उसके हाइलाइट देखने जा रहे हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. 1 2 3.
It'll be a great battle. The great Wassim Akram, who's very slippery, comes in for the first ball of the semi-final. And he beats him beautifully by.
पाकिस्तान अभी बॉलिंग कर रहा है.
It's over the top. That's the first boundary. That's a 6. Top edge, cutting away, Wassim Akram. Mark Greatbatch. He's had a wonderful tournament. That's a fine shot. Right finds the gap, that's 4.
4.
Jive it again. Big crowd here at Eden Park. Oh, he's hit that miles. It's a short boundary. Oh, this will go into second tier. Huge 6. Down she comes off the concrete. What a shot. Akib Javed. Oh, well bowled. He's bowled him. Slower ball, you little beauty. That was a magnificent delivery. He very, very nearly got himself an LBW.
First innings here at Eden Park for New Zealand.
He's hit that in the air. This will be out. Caught in the deep. He's got him. Wright has got frustrated. He's decided to go for it. And Rami's sitting down there at the deep long on boundary.
Beautiful stroke, he just waited on it. There's no shortage of...
Thank you, Richie. Martin Crowe pulls the first ball away for 4. Mr. Garma just a fraction short, and there's no doubt about it. But
See if he picks it in a minute.
oh, it spins and it beats the wicketkeeper as well. What a turn there. That was the leg break going for buys. Might go all the way. 4 buys. It's in close. Got to be close. Yes, beautiful bowling. Forced Jones back. Gave the umpire Buckner a good look at that. And that's a valuable wicket for Pakistan.
And he'll move on to some more there. That's 4 runs. It's a bad ball from Iqbal Sikandar. A full toss on leg stump.
4.
And a great diving effort. Bit long off.
always have ropes or white lines.
Well, a bit over the top. Straight down the ground. He's letting those shackles go now. Pakistan under a lot of pressure.
That's gone. Into the stand. Well, hits the advertising hoardings on the full. Umpire Shepherd is in no doubt.
Martin Crowe is going through a real dilemma.
That's in the stands.
And this could well be out. Pulling that one, and the keeper Mohan Khan takes the catch. So Kenny Rutherford's innings comes to an end. A very good innings indeed after a...
Big appeal, got him, LBW. Yes, he's angled it back in, playing the ball from the crease there. Deepak Patel trying to whip that one away.
For them, they've been much too short.
इमरान खान किधर है?
And into the gap, and no third man, that'll be 4. Imran doesn't know what to do.
His
Imran.
performance from New Zealand.
Yes, this is Imran Khan.
Imran. Smith gets a full toss, he smashed it away. It's 4, is it? Just short of the line down there at deep mid-wicket.
Imran Khan.
7 for 261.
Slow ball again, they'll get one. There was nothing he could do about that. Good one from Imran, that ball. So 7 for 262.
Miz Raj has had a good World Cup with 200s. Now the breeze coming across the ground. That's a fine shot, that'll be 4. Good start by Ramiz Raja. Perfectly executed deflection on the leg side. Times that nicely, that'll go all the way. Down to the long on boundary, he picked that off beautifully. The half volley, punched through mid-on. It's a good shot, that'll be 4.
Runs.
Man coming around from deep cover, won't cut that off. found the gap beautifully. It was a wideish delivery, and Ramesh Raja into the cover drive early.
It's England are favourites. Been in the business a long time. That's out. He's taken the top edge as he's gone for the sweep shot there, and it's gone straight to backward square leg. Who's taken the catch? Well, they really did have to try and sweep him out of the business.
Playing himself in. It's flicked away. It's dropped. Flicked very hard to square leg by Ramesh Raja, and Andrew Jones, who caught Amir Sahel for the first wicket of the innings. That'll be 4 more. This time Danny Morrison dropping short. Ramesh Raja in complete control of his shot. And that's another great shot from Ramesh Raja. That's 6. That's gone all the way. That's from Imran. So Imran Khan taking the offensive.
The target, that is in case of rain.
Man's coming back for it. Could be a good catch. It is a super catch. Danny
Making a few metres down the wicket there. He's got an inside edge. That'll run away for 4. Every single run vital, especially 4s. In fact, leg by a signal there. Seemed to go very quickly away off.
Not giving the batsman too much width.
He smashed that one, beautifully hit down the ground, way up into the terraces. What a magnificent straight 6 that was. Imran is going to cut loose here. Jovit's down the wicket. Good shot, beautifully placed by Miandad. That's 4. Magnificent shot. They've got 4 men out on the offside there.
And he's going into the wind.
man there under it. Caught. Imran's gone. Harris has the wicket. Gone. First Cherry and gone. Salim Malik out for one. Well, it's between the two fielders. Just 4 and
4.
This guy is.
Oh, Zabardast.
It's gone right over that fielder. For a moment would have thought the wind was going.
That's 4. Take it away. Full tosses outside off stump. Certainly not the name of the game here.
Looks a classy player.
Oh, he's got that one away right into the middle of the gap. 4. Beautifully played. And Miandad wanders over to him. And they have a, what do they call it?
Back into this game.
He's got that one away too. Exactly the same place. Patel dropping it short. This is the guy who should have opened the batting. Magnificent shot there from Imzamam Al-Haq. Get back, this will be out of your hands. He's missed. No, he's not out. No, he's not out. No way. But he got back easy.
Well, New Zealand is certainly desperate for a wicket. Miandad there, perhaps a little bit too optimistic, trying to get a single there. Morrison again coming in. Smith. Oh, well. Very tight one.
He got back there. He's so quick. That's got to be a wide. However, he got a bat to it.
Well,
so
as well.
It's gone to the fence. Very tense crowd. Boy, have they got their money's worth. This is Morrison. It's 4. Wide delivery off the bottom edge. It's gone flying away down towards third man.
Very worried at the moment.
Oh, he's hit that one in the air and into the gap. It won't get to the boundary, will it?
No.
Yes, it will. It runs in. It was so high, it looked for a second as if it was going to stop there.
Good decision.
There's no way he can give him out there. Oh, and that's got him.
This time.
He's got him.
Absolutely right.
Imzamam Al-Haq is outrun out. They've tried it once too often.
Pounding away. Harris again, he's cutting low, he missed. That would have been out for sure. Wazam Akram was out of his ground. Harris in like a greyhound, picked it up, missed the stumps. Big hit, it's gone for 6, it's going all the way. That's 6 over off.
Talk about good timing. That was beautifully struck. And if ever Pakistan needed 6 runs, this was the moment for it.
This telecast. He's pulled it. Man out there at square leg, he's defending, it's going fine, it could go all the way, he's coming around quickly, we dive, it's 4 runs, and Pakistan have won the first semi-final at Eden Park. A magnificent performance by Javed Miandad into Manal Haq, and look at Javed, what a performance for the veteran, a magnificent win. When you're chasing 262 you have to do all the hard work.
Well, the entire Pakistan team has raced onto the field, and no wonder.
ज़बरदस्त, बहुत टफ मैच था। न्यूजीलैंड की भी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत टफ मैच था। एंड तक पता नहीं चल रहा था कि कौन जीतने वाला है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा टफ और अच्छा मैच था, मतलब इंजॉय करने वाला मैच था। तो इसमें इमरान खान और 2 और प्लेयर्स का नाम लिया जा रहा था, जावेद और इंजमाम शायद। तो उन सब की परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी थी और देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा है। बहुत ही टफ मैच था और पाकिस्तान जीत गया था सेमीफाइनल, बल्कि वर्ल्ड कप जीत गया था 1992 का। इमरान खान की टीम ने वर्ल्ड कप जीत लिया था और ये मैच देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई है। आप लोगों में से किसने लाइव ये मैच देखा था, तो आपको ज़रूर याद होगा वो मैच। तो कमेंट्स में ज़रूर लिख के बताइए कि आपने वो मैच देखा था या नहीं देखा था लाइव, जब हुआ था ये मैच 1992 में। सो ये थी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद है कि आप सबको पसंद आई होगी। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। चल दें, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। फिर अमानिल्लाह।